Fatty liver disease, characterized by excessive fat accumulation in the liver, is a silent yet formidable health issue that often goes unnoticed until it escalates into more serious complications. The liver, a vital organ, is responsible for numerous critical functions including detoxification, metabolism, and nutrient storage. However, certain dietary choices can significantly impair its functioning, leading to fatty liver disease. This condition can be largely asymptomatic in its early stages, but can progress to more severe health issues if not addressed. A crucial aspect of preventing or managing this condition is understanding and avoiding specific harmful substances in our diet. Below, we delve into the top 5 dietary villains for the liver, ranked from the least to the most detrimental, discussing the reasons behind their harmful effects and providing insights on healthier alternatives. Before we jump into our top 5 list, take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more health insights. If you enjoy the video, give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support and feedback mean the world to us. Now, let's get started with the countdown. Number 5. Green tea in excess. Green tea, widely regarded for its health benefits, is packed with antioxidants and is known to offer numerous benefits, including improved heart health and reduced cancer risk. However, moderation is key. Surprisingly, excessive consumption of green tea, especially in the form of concentrated supplements, can lead to liver toxicity and fat accumulation. The catechins found in green tea, beneficial in moderate amounts, can cause harm when ingested in large quantities. This highlights the importance of balance and moderation, even with substances typically considered healthy. Opting for a moderate consumption of green tea and avoiding high-concentration supplements can help prevent the potential adverse effects on the liver. Number 4. Fruit juice. Fruit juice, especially commercially produced varieties, can be a hidden source of excessive fructose. While fruits in their whole form are beneficial and packed with nutrients, the juicing process eliminates the fiber, leaving behind a concentrated sugar solution. This high fructose content, when consumed regularly and in large amounts, puts an immense strain on the liver. The liver is forced to convert the excess fructose into fat, leading to an increased risk of fatty liver. To mitigate this risk, it's advisable to consume whole fruits instead of juiced versions, ensuring that you benefit from the natural fibers and nutrients without overwhelming your liver with fructose. Number 3. Soda. Soda consumption is a significant dietary factor contributing to liver fat accumulation due to its high content of high fructose corn syrup. Regular intake of soda overwhelms the liver's capacity to process fructose, leading to fat storage within the liver cells. This not only predisposes individuals to fatty liver disease, but also increases the risk of developing other metabolic disorders like diabetes and obesity. Substituting soda with healthier alternatives such as water, herbal teas, or naturally flavored water can significantly reduce the burden on the liver and contribute to overall health. Number 2. Processed foods. Processed foods are laden with unhealthy fats, added sugars, and numerous additives, posing a serious threat to liver health. These foods are often devoid of nutritional value and introduce a heavy detoxification burden on the liver. The high content of unhealthy fats and fructose in processed foods promotes the accumulation of liver fat, exacerbating the risk of developing fatty liver disease. Furthermore, the lack of essential nutrients in these foods means the liver has to work harder to filter out toxins, further worsening liver stress and damage. Emphasizing whole, unprocessed foods in your diet can significantly reduce liver fat accumulation and improve liver health. Number 1. Sugar, particularly fructose. The most damaging dietary substance for the liver is excessive sugar intake, particularly fructose. Fructose is metabolized primarily in the liver, and when consumed in large amounts, it can lead to significant liver stress and fat accumulation. This not only elevates the risk of fatty liver disease, but also paves the way for a host of other metabolic disorders, including insulin resistance and systemic inflammation. Foods high in added sugars, such as sweets, baked goods, and certain beverages, are primary contributors to the dietary fructose that burdens the liver. Limiting the consumption of these foods and monitoring sugar intake are crucial steps in maintaining liver health and preventing fatty liver disease. In conclusion, while fatty liver disease poses a significant threat to health, understanding and actively avoiding these top 5 dietary villains can play a pivotal role in preventing and managing this condition. Adopting a balanced diet rich in whole, nutrient-dense foods, engaging in regular physical activity, and undergoing regular health checkups to monitor liver health are essential practices in safeguarding liver function and overall well-being. By making informed dietary choices and adopting a healthy lifestyle, individuals can significantly reduce the risk of fatty liver and its associated health complications, ensuring a healthier, more vibrant life. Share your stories in the comments section below, and let's continue this journey together. Don't forget to subscribe for more content, and remember, your health is your wealth.